Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my homemade strawberry kiwi lemonade from scratch. Now, this lemonade is made with fresh strawberries, fresh kiwis, and fresh lemons, along with some sugar, a little hint of salt, and it's pasteurized. And from there, it is chilled just before serving. This recipe makes 1 gallon of lemonade. It's refreshing, full of strawberry, kiwi, and lemon flavor, and just the right amount of sweetness. And it's perfect for those summer months when it's hot. Absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you'll need to make your homemade strawberry kiwi lemonade. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound and 11 ounces total of fresh lemons. It could be 1, 2, or many. As long as it equals to 1 pound and 11 ounces total, you'll be good to go. And along with that, you'll need 1 pound of fresh strawberries, 1 pound of fresh kiwis, sugar, salt, and for your tools, you'll need a small food processor, a mesh strainer, a citrus juicer, and a 4-quart plastic pitcher. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to get started by rinsing off our fruits. Rinse off your lemons, followed by the kiwis. Now you can remove that outer hairy layer of the skin of the kiwi off. You can use a knife, and you can also take a potato peeler and peel off the hairy layer off of the kiwi. Okay, I placed my strawberries into this mesh strainer, and I'm going to rinse the strawberries off with cold water. Next, I'm going to cut each lemon in half. Here we have our citrus juicer, and we're going to juice all the halves of each lemon. And from there, we're going to take the leftover lemon juice and add it into a measuring cup. Once done, you should have 1 1/4 cups of freshly squeezed lemon juice left over. Okay, let's start with preparing our strawberries. So I'm going to take a sharp knife and I'm going to cut the stems off of each strawberry. And from there, I'm going to take each strawberry and cut them up into small bite-sized pieces. And it's the exact same thing with the kiwi. We're going to start by taking a kiwi. We're just going to cut both of the stems off of each end of the kiwi. And from there, we're going to take the kiwi and we're going to cut it into small bite-sized pieces. And there we go. Our strawberries and our kiwi is nice and chopped. Alright, let's get started with pureeing our fruit. So in this food processor, I'm going to add my chopped strawberries right on in there. Blend this for 1 minute. Alright, that looks good. Okay, now that we got that done, next up, in this large food processor, we're going to add our chopped kiwi right on in there. Blend this for 1 minute. Alright, that looks good. Preheat your fire to medium heat. Alright, let's get started with pasteurizing our lemonade. So, in this large pot, add 3 quarts of water. And to that, I'm going to add 1 1/4 cups of our freshly squeezed lemon juice, followed by our strawberry puree, our kiwi puree, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Stir all your ingredients together. We're basically going to heat this up. This is going to prevent the lemonade from spoiling. So we're basically pasteurizing the mixture. Let this get hot for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now at this time you want to go ahead and taste your lemonade to see if it's at your desired taste and sweetness. If not, you can add more of strawberry puree or the kiwi puree or lemon juice if you have any left over. And you can also add more sugar to your desired sweetness as well. Alright, it's been about 10 to 15 minutes now, and our mixture should be nice and hot. Now you're going to go ahead and turn your fire off. And from there, we're just going to let this cool completely. It can take about 1 to 2 hours. Okay, here we have a medium-sized bowl with a mesh strainer. I'm going to take a large measuring cup and I'm going to remove some of the lemonade from out of the large pot. And from there, I'm going to pour it into the mesh strainer with the medium-sized bowl underneath it. I'm going to do half of the amount of lemonade first, and then go from there. Okay, so in this mesh strainer, here's all the pulp and everything from the strawberries, lemons, and the kiwi. I'm going to take a spatula and stir this continuously. And as I'm stirring the pulp, you're going to take your spatula and press the pulp down into the mesh strainer. That's going to allow some of the lemonade to drain into the bowl. And there we go, it's just that simple. Now as far as the pulp goes, you can take it and place it into a small bowl or container. Make sure you remove the seeds of the lemon out of there. This will be a great little side dessert or something like that, or fruit salad. It's nothing but pulp from fruit, so it's healthy. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to store mine in the refrigerator and eat it at a later date. Next, you're going to take your lemonade and pour it into your plastic pitcher. I'm going to take a large sturdy spoon and give this one last final quick stir. I'm going to place a lid on top of the plastic pitcher. Place this into your refrigerator overnight so that way the mixture can cool. I would say between 15 to 20 hours. For best results, you can make this 1 to 2 days in advance before serving. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Homemade Strawberry Kiwi Lemonade, made from scratch by a New Orleans native. You can check out this recipe as well as all of my other recipes. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Now it's time to go ahead and have a sip. Ooh, that was delicious. This is wonderful. It has the right amount of strawberry, kiwi, and lemon flavor to it, and just the right amount of sweetness, not overly sweet at all. It's cold because outside it is hot. I can go outside 5 minutes and just come back inside and just drench in sweat. That's how hot it is out there. This is the perfect drink for you to try, especially during those summer months when it's hot. Now, also, I want to let y'all know that you can also sneak a little bit of liquor in here, because I know some people say that you should add a little liquor, but that's not what this for, because liquor and heat don't mix. So you only do this under your discretion. And of course, kids can't have liquor, so you don't want to do that either. So, give the recipe a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time. Have a good one. Peace. Now I gotta take another sip.